So once we get the trunk open, you're just going to come right along here and you're going to see a 10 millimeter there and there. Remove those. Grab onto this and slide it away from the vehicle. And then you're going to see your electrical connectors. Just slide that away. Take a peek in there. That looks good. Let's get this new one connected in. Click it. Give it a little tug, and then make sure you lock it in. Beautiful. Slide in these little nubs right into those holes in the body. Couple loving bonks. Make sure they're snug. Next, you'd want to test it out. If you had to replace the other side, you would do the same procedure. Nice.